Okay, I'm hiking to Line Lake. Up here in the Beartooth. It's pretty beautiful. I'm the only one out here. I just don't want to see a grizzly bear. I'm prepared though, if I do, I hope. Okay, we got about another 1.5 miles that way to go. Okay, so tried fishing for a little bit. Not even a bite. Not even seen anything jump. So, saying that, I think it's time for me to go. It's a little, I mean, I'm on edge. Or is it on edge, or I'm super aware of possibly grizzly bears. I didn't like where I was sitting because I couldn't see if something was coming lumbering down the trail. But anyway, no wildlife at all. Not even scat or anything, so. Okay, we got a up and down trek coming up. Get back to the truck. Okay, first big hill has been climbed. And then it's gonna be down. And then way back up to the truck. Sure is beautiful country out here. Sitting about 10,000 feet. Okay, onwards and downwards. Okay, I'll try to holler over the wind noise. Way out there you can see my truck where I gotta go. Then you can see all the traffic on the Beartooth Highway. And got some beautiful views up here. Oh, so close yet so far away. Okay, it's all uphill from here. I gotta go that way. In the meantime, got a little scenery to show. There's some lakes up there. Someday I may check it out. Maybe next week's adventure. Okay, onwards and upwards. Okay, trucking right along. There's the truck. That's a long ways out there, up there. Over here, look at this beautiful meadow. Late August and we still have wildflowers out. Okay, hopefully Sisu will help pull me up the hill. You can help pull me up the hill? Okay, let's do this. Okay, getting close. That's a good thing because looks like we got some weather coming in. The highway's right there, so I'm hoping I'm just on the other side of that knoll. And I wanted to show a patch of snow real quick. Yep, still snow up here at 10,000 feet. Okay, made it back to the truck. There's where we came from. Way out there on the downside of that canyon over there. And we got back just in time because there's some wicked looking weather coming through. Okay, time to get back home. What I have to say about the trip, I don't know. I imagine the fishing could be really good. And it's certainly not an easy hike. It's quick. Well, it's not quick, it's short. It's only 2.5 miles to get out there. But a lot of ups and downs. All right, until next time.